What's good, y'all? Today I'm gonna be giving y'all a look at the Jordan 13 Flints. I didn't cop on release day. A lot of people didn't. A lot of people took L's, but I went ahead, went to Gold and caught mine for a price of $250. So first off, we got the box right here, the classic box with the Jordan symbol on the top. Pretty simple box, and this is the size tag right here. I went with a size 11. Jordan 13s, they run pretty true to size. I would not suggest going down a half a size. I would not suggest going down a half a size. Jordan symbol on the top. And like I said, it's just an overall simple box. Now, getting to the shoe. Got your goat sticker right here. Stick that on your car or whatever, your PlayStation. That's what I do. Quality, quality control stamp. Something new they just started doing, they wasn't always doing, is they started this about, I would say, a year ago. Oh, after opening them, you got your white paper right here. Then what you came here for, the Flint 13s. Give you a all around view of the shoe. Really nice. So the last time these came out was in 2010. At that time, I didn't cop. I wasn't really into 13s like that. Honestly, I'm still not into 13s like that to where I would pick up every single one that came out. But these I went ahead and got just because they're a classic. So starting from the bottom of the shoe, you got your white traction pods, carbon fiber. Always got to do the carbon fiber test. And you got your little joint symbol right here in the bubble. And this is made to resemble, I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos already. They always say the same. These are made to resemble the paw prints of a panther. Coming up to the sides, you got your gray suede right here. Really nice. Real nice suede. At the front, you got your Jordan tag right here, which from what I heard, the 2010 pair didn't have the Roman numeral 13 right there, but this one does. Looking at the other side, more suede. And this is why they call the shoe the Flint, because of this Flint suede right here. Got your navy blue upper. To me, that's what makes the shoe look fresh. Going further up, got your Jordan brand right there. And like I said, I already took these out the box just to make sure I had no defects, but if you can see that, you got your little hologram right there, Jordan with the 23 in the background. Sock liner is pretty good. You can see that. Now, people say this shoe is a big shoe, but to me, when I first got in hand, I've had bigger joints like the fives. Those are way bigger to me than these are. The clean shoe. It's a good pickup for the summer. A good summer shoe. So clean you can rock this with a suit. But yeah, so leave a comment if you have anything to say about these shoes, or did you get them? Are you just waiting for something else to come out? Let me know. Leave a like and subscribe if you like my video. And I'll see you in the next one.